Hi everybody. Today we're here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, and we're just going to check out and see what's going on here in Gatlinburg, aren't we?
Yes, we are.
All right, so let's go check this out. So where you at?
Gatlinburg.
You're in Gatlinburg, huh?
Yes, I am.
And what are you doing?
Walking the streets of Gatlinburg, just taking all the sights.
What are you doing? You're moonshining? Fermentation. What do you got there?
It's a first spout.
Oh, you put on the put on the moonshine, huh? What do you got?
Sugarland's moonshine cup.
Oh yeah?
$5.99.
$5.99. What's that?
It's a pina colada soap. It's on a rope.
What's the rope for?
I'm not really for sure.
Uh-oh.
Soap on a rope.
All right. Let's find our way out of here.
Oh, she's waving. Hi.
Doing? Okay. That's a ride. Pink Panther. Oh, they got this new place in Gatlinburg, and they're like, they look like big cereal balls, and they put nitrogen into them, and you're supposed to eat them, and the nitrogen will come out your nose. So let's go check this out. So they got this new place in Gatlinburg, and they call it nitrogen puffs. And I guess you can so anyways, they use nitrogen, and then go check out this place called Sweet. This is brand new. Wow, look at that. Pure wine. You are at the Old Smoky Candy Kitchen. So where are you at?
Old Smoky Candy Kitchen.
Old Smoky Candy Kitchen.
In Gatlinburg.
In Gatlinburg. Oh, who's that?
My friend.
Yeah, did he scare you?
Yes.
He did scare you, huh?
He bites.
He's a biter. Ogle dogs. Alright, so what'd you get?
An ogle dog.
Okay. Can I have some?
Yes.
Yes?
Bite.
Alright. Just a bite?
Yes.
Oh, you can't just have a bite of an ogle dog. Why you didn't eat it right? Look at it. You got the hot dog hanging out of it.
It's a hot dog.
No, it's not. It's an ogle dog. It's more than a hot dog.